Hey guys, what's up? Gary G back again for another video. Today's a windy day, so I apologize if the audio is a little bad, but I've been asked a bunch of times all the products that I use on a daily basis. Today I'm going to show you all the stuff that I use for a maintenance detail, which is pretty close to what I use for everything, minus, the three-step system from P&S that I use whenever I go and do the carpets and whatnot. But today we're going to work on this maintenance client 7 Series BMW. Come along with me. I'm going to show you everything that I use. Let's go. All right, so we're going to start off with P&S Brake Buster, right? This is our wheel and tire cleaner. I always start off with the wheels. I really like Brake Buster. It was one of the first products I ever started using for a few different reasons. One, it's dilutable, so you can, I think, dilute it up to 5-to-1. I could be wrong. So you get a lot for your money. Also, it really suds well and cleans very good. I like that it does tires and wheels. I'm always trying to use products that can do a few different things in one. And one of the things that I really like about Brake Buster is that it has rust inhibitors. So like when you clean a wheel with a heavy degreaser, so let's say like Super Clean, I use Super Clean a lot, especially because it does bugs, it does all kinds of stuff. If you use Super Clean, a lot of times you will get rust on the rotors, and it's just not a good look when you give it back to the customers. Even though it comes right off, it's still just not a great look. And one cool thing I like about Brake Buster is it never does that. It always leaves the rotors just looking clean and shiny. So it's just a really nice look that you get in the product right here. I just think it's really unique for that. Let me give a big shout out to Jamie the Cleaner for the foam cannon flip. Hey, so I forgot to say it in the video, but they're super clean all over the front of the vehicle. Like I said, I use it for bugs. That's why it's on there. Now in here I have my MacShine Snowmaster foam cannon. I really like that. And then there is Incredible Suds by DIY. It's exactly that. You get Incredible Suds. It smells well. It's very slick. Clings to the paint very well. That's my go-to soap for washing vehicles at the moment. If I don't use that, sticking with the P&S theme, I really do like Pearl. Pearl is a great soap. You could do a lot of things with it, including rinseless washing and whatnot. Very cost effective. I buy it in a 5-gallon. The only downside I want to mention about Pearl is that it's so thin that you don't get a lot of dwell time with it. So that's just something to note. So if you're doing like a wash and wax and you're using the soap as your lubrication for that process, then you won't have as much time, or you have to keep refoaming the vehicle to get that job done. So it's not a huge downside for me. It's just something to note. All right, so on to the drying process. What you're going to see here is, I don't have a bottle for it, but this is the new P&S Defender. I'm using it as my drying aid along with the Twisted Loop drying towel from MacShine. I really like Defender. So far, I'm really digging it. As far as SiO2, I don't get any streaking, which I'm really happy about because that's a big problem with a lot of SiO2 products. So I really dig that. It's very slick. It beads very well. It's extremely glossy. The only thing I have to complain about is I really do not like the smell. So if that's important to you, I get like a floral smell almost or whatever. It's just not a good smell in my opinion. All right, so I've already made a review video on this product. This is the mini handheld blower from MacShine. This is a really good, inexpensive handheld blow dryer. It's not good for drying the entire vehicle, I'll tell you that. I don't really think any of them are very good for drying the entire vehicle. It just takes too much time. It's a waste of time. But for what this is for cracks and crevices and all that water that tends to drip out, this is an unbelievable product. It's only about $100. Also, I do have a discount code from MacShine. It's StaySlick15. It'll get you 15% off, so you can save a little bit of money. I would highly recommend this one. If not, get the blow version, but a handheld dryer nonetheless is a staple in my opinion. All right, so next step in the process is tire shine. Yes, I am using P&S Dressed with a flag tip brush to apply it. P&S Dressed is very unique in that it is a polymer-based tire dressing. So what I like about it is that it applies and looks as if it's an oil base, but it doesn't sling, kind of like a water base. So I'm really in love with this product. I can't recommend it enough. It is the best tire shine I've ever used to date. Very happy with the results I get with this. All right, so now on to interior. Using the staple in the detailing industry, if you will. It's the Ridgid 4.5 gallon, 5 horsepower portable vacuum. It's fantastic. I use it with the crevice tool. This is a go-to. I would highly recommend this. It's about $100 from Home Depot, lifetime warranty. Sometimes you can get it on sale, even better than that. And right after that, I'm using, no surprise, Express Interior by P&S with a super towel, microfiber towel. These are the towels that I like to use. I fold them in 4s and use the low nap side. Express Interior, what can I say about it? It's just unbelievable. It's the best interior cleaner that I've used. You can dilute it 1-to-1. You can use it straight for really dirty vehicles. P&S is a great brand. They have the most consistent product line I've ever tried out of any brand. I just haven't found a product yet that I don't like. I can't recommend it enough. And to finish it all off, we have glass. Of course, I'm using Paint Prep by P&S. Again, another P&S product, I know. But as I said before, I like products that you can use for multiple things. This is glass cleaner as well as surface prep. So when I do ceramic coatings, I use this to prep the surface. It's just an excellent product. I love it. It works every time. All right, y'all. That's it. That's everything that I use to do a maintenance detail. I appreciate you coming along with me for another video. All the links will be in the description down below. Just about everything that I use can be bought at mirrorfinishpolishes.com. Remember, use Stay Slick for 10% off. That does give me a little kickback, but that's my home detail store. That's the people I'm working with. They're good people, and they have all the products that you'll need. So make sure you go there to support your boy. All right, guys. You guys have a great day. Appreciate you guys. All my Stay Slick fam. You guys have a good night. Peace. Stay slick. Let's get it.